Hello and welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching the live show Musings with Software Engineers. How would my knowledge as a software developer help me in starting my own software development company? What other things should I learn? See, one thing what's very important to learn. Okay, so as a software developer, I don't know how good you are in software development. Okay, I don't know about this. Okay, but what happens is a lot of software developers have a very good idea and they focus on building a software, which is also good, and they build a really good software and everything. But when it comes to building a business, they fail there because what is required to build a software company is you have to become an entrepreneur. Okay, and what is required for an entrepreneur? Entrepreneur needs to learn 5 skills. Okay, the first skill an entrepreneur needs is to come up with ideas. Okay, idea for a business, idea for what kind of problems they are going to solve, idea for what tools and technologies they are going to use for software development. So an entrepreneur has to come up with ideas, correct? Then an entrepreneur has to learn how to sell. An entrepreneur has to sell his vision to the employees. An entrepreneur has to sell his product to the clients. An entrepreneur has to sell his company to the investors. Okay, entrepreneur has to sell his dream to his family. Okay, so the second skill you have to learn is selling skill. How to sell. Okay, the third skill is how to build systems. If you are a software developer and if you are building a software company, okay, you are building a software product, maybe it is a custom product or it is a product that you are going to implement for others, correct? So what are your steps? What are the steps which will take the client from prospect, right? That the client comes to know about your company, and from there you sell the client your software or whatever your services are there, and then you deliver those services. So what are the steps? And then you collect the payment, and that payment goes into the bank, and then you pay your employees, and then you take the profit. So what are the steps? And there may be not one, there can be 10 systems in your business. There can be 2 systems in your business. There can be a system for software delivery. There can be another system for hiring people. There can be another system for accounting and finance. Okay. So as an entrepreneur, you have to learn how to build these steps or how to build systems in your business. The fourth thing that you need is how can you hire, manage, retain, and appraise employees. A business is everything about the people who are working for you. How are you going to attract the talent? How are you going to give them the salaries? How are you going to think about the career growth of your employees so that they stay with you? Correct? So, how are you going to manage employees? Okay, or your people management skills? You have to learn that. And then the final thing you have to learn is profit. How can you make your business profitable? Because any business that is not profitable will close down within the few years. Okay, within the time you run out of money. Okay, because any business that is not profitable will run out of money very soon. Okay, even if somebody invested in your business, somebody brings the money and you got like 1 crore rupees to start a software development company, and now if you're not making profit, at some point this 1 crore rupees will become zero. Correct? So you need to understand how the economy of your business, how are you going to make profit out of your business, because only profitable businesses will survive for 3 years, 10 years, 25 years. As soon as the profit of the business goes down, your business will close down. Is that okay? So these are the 5 skills. Okay, ideation, ideas, selling, then uh, what was the third skill I talked about? Systems, people, and profit. Okay, if you understand these skills, then you can start a software development company. And it may not be that you may have all the skills in the beginning. Maybe you have some skills and you hire somebody, like for finance and accounts you hire somebody. Okay, maybe you don't have all the skills. Maybe for marketing you find your friend is very good in marketing, you collaborate with your friend, he handles everything to do with marketing. That is fine. Okay, maybe you don't have all the skills, but you have an understanding of all these skills, which are basic skills required for a business to survive. Is that okay, Vatsal? So your knowledge of software development I did not talk about, because software development, you can hire people to do software development. I have seen very successful entrepreneurs who don't know software development. Okay, because they know how to do business. Okay, so they have hired a team of software developers, they know how to get the work done from these software developers for the idea that they have come up with. Okay, so I your knowledge of software development may be redundant. Okay, if you are the chief software developer in your organization, it will become very difficult to manage the entire business, and that is the challenge. You will be working as a solopreneur more, as a freelancer, than an actual entrepreneur. Is that okay? Is that okay, Vatsal? All of you who are here, please share this video with your friends. Like this video if you have not liked this video. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, because when you press the bell icon, you will get the notification. I am live every Thursday at 9:05 p.m. Okay,